like a Hellcat.
I've had a makeover. This guy has not had a makeover, but this guy has here. Blue, yeah, I'm blue. Da ba dee da ba da. Yeah, so we're gonna yeah. We're gonna walk over here. Woof, woof, woof. Ooh.
No, well, you can't if it's Charlie. Quite well. And then we'll turn around and like, for God's sake, why did Gary ever introduce
Yeah.
Because she's always mithering him.
Right, I need to get up there quick before I miss the time. Right, we'll see you in a minute. So basically, we are at the campsite and we're camping.
Yeah. Alfie and Adam are on Insta. I did.
Yeah, we're camping.
Adam and Alfie are on Insta.
Woof, 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 woof.
They're on Insta. Yeah, use my number. Well, I don't know you got on Insta.
Yeah, that'll keep the fire going for a bit. Right, so let's sing a camp song. No singing. I don't like singing. No way. No way at all. So we have had a makeover and it looks so different. So different. Okay, we'll set everything up. And then we'll see you in the next scene. So we have got all the things set up and we are getting ready for the camp song. We are going to sing, but it'll be embarrassing for you guys to hear it. So we're just thinking about it, but we know you guys want me to. We're camping in the campsite with my blue monkey and a shark pup. Okay, that was the camp song. Because I hate singing. Oh yeah. Alright, well, we'll see you in the next scene where we're getting ready for bed. So basically, they're already in bed, getting ready for sleep, and I will be in a minute. But first, let's just explore this campsite. What is over here? Whoa, look at all these bird tracks. I wonder where they go to. Okay, I'm too scared, I'm going back. Ah. Alright, so guys, we're all going to bed now. Hope you enjoyed that video. Make sure to subscribe to Springtractor88 and Adam's channel and all my other channels. Weekly Nuggets and Game Pro Boy. Turn on notifications and Adam's channel. Peace out.